Good morning students, welcome you all. In this video we will discuss about the primitive and non-primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell means a unit cell that contains only one lattice point is called primitive unit cell. That means only one lattice point which is present at the corner of the unit cell. This is primitive unit cell. Non-primitive unit cell means additional to the lattice point which is present at the corner, one lattice point present at the faces or within the unit cell, that is known as non-primitive unit cell. I explain once again. Primitive unit cell means contains only one lattice point, and that one lattice point is made up of each of its corner is known as primitive unit cell. Non-primitive unit cell means additional to the corner's lattice point, one atom or one lattice point is present either on the faces of the unit cell or within the unit cell, and this is called as the non-primitive unit cell. So based on the arrangement of angles or edge length, or otherwise it is called as the lattice constant, there are 7 type of primitive crystals. First one is cubic, second one is rhombohedral, hexagonal, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, the last one is triclinic. And these 7 primitive crystals differ in their angles and also edge length, or otherwise it is called as the lattice constant. Next we will discuss about the number of atoms present in the cubic unit cell. First, simple cubic unit cell. How can you calculate the number of atoms present in the simple cubic unit cell? So here this is the simple cubic unit cell. In this unit cell, each corners is occupied by an identical atom. Each corners occupied by an identical atoms, or you can say ions or molecules, and they touch each other along the edges of the cube, and they do not touch diagonally. In simple cubic unit cell, each corners occupied by an identical atom, they touch along the edges of the corners of the cube, and they do not touch diagonally. So here the coordination number here it is 6. Each atom in the corner in simple cubic unit cell is shared by 8 neighboring unit cell, and therefore the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to Nc divided by 8. So the number of atoms present in simple cubic unit cell is equal to Nc by 8. Nc here means number of atoms present at the corner. There are 8 atoms present here, 8 atom present, 8 corners. So 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. Number of unit cell present in simple cubic unit cell is equal to 1. Second one is body centered cubic unit cell. In body centered cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by an identical atoms or ions or molecules, whatever it is. Along with this, one atom occupies at the center of the body. I repeat once again, each corners occupied by an identical atom. Addition to that, one atom occupied at the center of the body. These atom which occupies do not touch each other, but all the atoms are touch the atoms which is present at the center of the unit cell. I repeat once again, the atoms occupies at the each corner. They do not touch each other, but all the atoms present at the corners touch the atom which is present at the center of the body. So here the coordination number is 8. Number of atoms present in the body-centered cubic unit cell is given by the formula Nc divided by 8 plus Nb divided by 1. What is Nc here? Number of atoms present at the corner. Nb means number of atoms present at the center of the body. So here 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1. Why I have written here 1 by 1 means this one atom is present by the center of the body, do not share by other unit cell. So I have written by 1 by 1, that is equal to 2. So the total number of atoms present in the body centered cubic unit cell is 2. Third one is face centered cubic unit cell. Here along the corners of the unit cell, one atom present at the faces of the unit cell. So along the corners of the unit cell, one atom present at the center of the faces. So here the number of atoms present in the face centered cubic unit cell is Nc divided by 8 plus Nf divided by 2. Nc means number of atoms present at the corner. Nf means number of atoms present at the faces. And each atom or each ion or molecule present at the faces shared by 2 unit cell. So here I have written as 2. So 8 by 8 plus, there are 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So number of atoms present at the faces is 6 divided by, and that is shared by 2 unit cell. So I have written here 2 is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Total number of atoms present in the face centered cubic unit cell is 4. Thank you.